Realme Mobiles always tries to deliver the most advanced and appealing smartphone into the market. Realme Mobiles has taken a step further into the technology. Realme C35 coming in market by Realme Mobiles. The launch date of Realme C35 is 2022, February 14th. Introducing necessary specification and features. The Realme C35 price in Pakistan is 38,999 rupees, while in USD it is $192. To find out more about specs and price, let's have a look below. Connectivity and networking. Discussing about network, Realme C35 supports variety of networks for the users to enjoy at any location. With a simple switch, the users can go from one network to another depending on the strength of the network. The networks supported in Realme C35 are GSM, HSPA, LTE. The details are listed below. Realme C35 design. Realme C35 comes with numerous features which not only make its appearance appealing but also very adjustable. The phone has a dimension of 164.4 by 75.6 by 8.1 mm, 6.47 by 2.98 by 0.32 in, with a weight of 189 grams, 6.67 ounces, comfortable to move around. Moreover, the build of Realme C35 is glass front, plastic frame, plastic back. It supports dual SIM, nano SIM, dual standby option through you can get accessibility to different networks. This phone comes with popular color options by i.e. glowing black, glowing green. The Realme C35 sensors include fingerprint under display, optical accelerometer, gyro, proximity, compass.